Hi everyone, I'm Arnay and this is Justin. We're excited to present our project, the Python Practice Studio, a web-based app that makes learning Python feel more like exploration than instruction.
We built this platform to help beginners learn by doing. The purpose of our app is to transform the way beginner programmers learn code by teaching them the fundamentals through open source tools, instant feedback, and playful interactive challenges that emphasize problem solving and growth.
To make that experience seamless, we used a mix of technologies. First, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for structure, style, and interactivity. Then we used the ACE editor for real-time syntax highlighting and auto-completion, which helps beginners with their learning of syntax and imitates the environment of professional IDEs. Then we also used Pyodide, which runs actual Python code inside your browser through WebAssembly, so there's no installation, no downloads, and instead there's just instant execution. And that means students can jump right in and start coding from anywhere with just a browser. And so here's how it works. First, users pick a problem, say return double. They type their solution in the editor and press Run Python Code. Then, they can hit Run Test Cases to see if their code passes each challenge. When it does, they're rewarded with a green check and a progress bar that fills as they advance through all the 10 tasks, a clear, gamified sense of growth. If they get stuck, a hint pop-up appears, linking to trusted resources like W3 Schools and Geeks for Geeks, guiding them to explore and learn rather than giving away the answer.
Beyond the design, what defines our app is its philosophy. It's an ad-free, open source, and completely free to use app that's built to reflect the core principles of computer science, that is collaboration, curiosity, and creativity. When I first started coding, what taught me the most wasn't just the courses. It was tinkering with open source projects online. Exploring real code bases let me see how things truly worked, and every experiment inspired new ideas. That's why we're making our platform open source, and that was such an essential aspect to us. We want the final challenge for our learners using this app to be the app itself. They can peek behind the curtains, edit the code, and maybe even add their own problems or features. It turns users into creators and keeps the cycle of learning alive. Personally, this project has already made an impact. I've been using it to help my little brother train for his AP CSP course, AP Computer Science Principles. Seeing him light up when his function finally works and watching his feedback directly shape our updates proved that our platform truly helps early learners.
Each challenge is solved with a win, each line of code a step toward creativity and confidence. This is the Python Practice Studio. Code anywhere, learn everywhere. Thanks for watching and happy coding.